In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bar graph to your Google Slides presentation. We'll walk through each step to ensure your data is effectively visualized without a hitch. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to have your Google Slides presentation open and ready. Navigate to the slide where you want your bar graph to appear. Once you're there, look towards the top menu. You'll want to find the Insert option. When you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Chart and then select Bar. This action will insert a default bar graph onto your chosen slide. But wait, we're not done yet. This graph isn't just a picture, it's linked to a Google Sheet. So now it's time to dive into the data part. When your default bar graph is visible on your slide, click on it. You'll see three dots appear, usually at the top right corner of the graph. This is known as the More menu. Click on it and select Open Source. Doing this will open the linked Google Sheet in a new tab. Now you're in the Google Sheet, and it's time to make it your own. The default data needs to be replaced with the information you want to present. Simply type over the existing data with yours. Remember, as you make changes here in the Google Sheet, the bar graph back in your Google Slides presentation will automatically update to reflect these new entries. It's a seamless integration that ensures your presentation is always in sync with your data. At this point, if you wish to go a step further, you can customize the appearance of your graph. To do this, still within the Google Sheet, click the three dots near your chart and select Edit Chart. This will bring up the chart editor. Here you can change colors, adjust fonts, tweak labels, and more, tailoring the visual aspects of your graph to better fit the theme of your presentation or simply to emphasize certain data points. Once you're satisfied with the data and its presentation, it's time to finalize everything. Close the Google Sheets tab. Don't worry, all your edits are saved automatically. When you return to your Google Slides, you'll see the updated graph exactly how you configured it in Google Sheets, ready to enhance your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bar graph to your Google Slides. It's a straightforward process, but one that adds significant value to your presentations by making your data clear and visually appealing. Happy presenting!